everyone, it's Oliver from Minerva, and in this video we will be showcasing 7 of our new denim Mind the Maker fabric arrivals. We have to share with you today 7 denim fabrics from Mind the Maker, perfect for any project from beginner to advanced. Alongside each fabric in this video, we have selected a sewing pattern pairing to give you the inspiration on your next make. So let's have a closer look. This Mind the Maker organic denim collection includes different types of raw denim. With these fabrics, raw refers to the fact that they've been unbleached, unsanded, untreated, everything. They are direct from the mill. Now, because of this, raw denim is quite rough and may not feel as wonderful as you would expect. However, over time, it will soften, and it's just more of a testament to the fact that these fabrics are coming direct from the mill. You know exactly the quality you are getting with these fabrics. It's also great to know that indigo dyed raw denims will lose some colour when washed, so at the end they will have a slightly different colour to what they first initially are. This is usual with a lot of different denim fabrics, and it's just something to bear in mind when you are washing your fabrics and creating your garment. Up first we have the Mind the Maker Fargo organic raw denim. It's a lovely deep dark blue. It's a composition of 98% cotton and 2% elastane. This fabric is 145 centimeters or 57.1 inches wide, and as you can imagine, with many denim fabrics, this is a heavyweight fabric, making it perfect for any pattern choices that require a heavy weight of fabric. Now, for this fabric, we have decided to pair it with the Closet Core sewing pattern in Morgan jeans. This is an intermediate sewing pattern, and it suggests fabrics that are light to heavyweight, non-stretch and selvage denims, making it a perfect choice for this Fargo denim fabric. Up next in our raw denim collection from Mind the Maker is this Lara organic raw denim fabric. Now, this is probably as close to black as you can get. It's a composition of 100% cotton. This woven fabric is non-stretch. It's 150 centimeters or 59.1 inches wide. Again, this is a heavyweight fabric, making it a perfect choice for a lot of denim sewing patterns. We've decided to pair this fabric with the Quick Sew sewing pattern 3897. Of course, you can't have denim fabric and not make overalls. This is a perfect choice for this sewing pattern. It's more of an intermediate pattern, so it will give yourself a challenge if you've not worked with denim before. It also suggests to use woven non-stretch denims and is a perfect choice with this Lara organic raw denim fabric. All of the patterns and fabrics will be tagged down below so that you can easily find them. And remember, if you join the Minerva Craft Club, you will save 10% off all orders for 12 months. It's a great way to save money on your makes and also to support local, national and global charities. Up next in our new arrivals from the Mind the Maker raw denim collection is the Miele organic raw denim. Now, this is a lovely bright cream colour. Again, it's 100% cotton. It's a woven non-stretch fabric. Usually when you think of denim fabrics, we go towards the dark blues and blacks. However, it's such a lovely change to have this very bright cream colour. This fabric would look perfect with the New Look sewing pattern 6843, and I think that the variation of these dresses from this pattern would go very well with this denim fabric. Now, again, this fabric is quite stiff at first, but over time it will soften up and just feel absolutely incredible on the skin. At 160 centimeters or 63 inches wide, you certainly do get a lot of value for money with this fabric. Up next, we have the Mind the Maker Fenner organic raw denim fabric. Now, this is more of a traditional denim colour, this lovely, subtle, deep blue. This fabric is a composition of 80% cotton and 20% recycled cotton. It gives it this absolutely incredible texture of all these different speckles throughout this heavyweight woven fabric. Even though it is a heavyweight fabric, it does have a lovely drape and feels very nice on the skin. We think this fabric would pair well with the Fulford jeans sewing pattern from Thread Theory Designs. With this pattern, you can create a handmade wardrobe of these designs so as to always be comfortably and stylishly ready for your next adventure. This pattern, as part of the Alpine Outdoors collection, is a hard-wearing design with a classic fit. And it's also a perfect choice with this heavyweight raw denim fabric. Up next, we have the Irit organic raw denim fabric. Now, this is slightly different to the others as it is more of a light to medium weight denim fabric. However, it still has that very, very nice classic denim feel to it. Again, it's 100% cotton, and this woven fabric is 156 centimeters or 61.4 inches wide. These denims are truly incredible and direct from the mill. This one does already feel very soft to the touch. We think this would be a great pairing with the new look sewing pattern 6446. Among other fabrics, this pattern suggests lightweight denims, making this Mind the Maker Irit fabric a perfect choice. This is also a perfect fabric choice if you are new to working with denim fabrics, because sometimes heavyweight denim fabrics can be a lot harder to sew with and more heavy-duty machines are required. However, the lightweight aspect of this denim makes it a perfect choice if you are a first-time maker or if you are completely new to denim fabrics. Here at Minerva, it's our passion to connect makers worldwide, so if you do use any of the products listed in this video, be sure to tag them in your posts. We love to see what you create. Next up in our organic raw denim collection is this fabric that goes by the name of Tess. And as you can see straight away, it is this beautifully bright blue. It's so vivid. It looks even more vivid in person than on camera. It has such a lovely soft feel to it, even though it is completely untreated and is direct from the mill. This woven fabric is a composition of 100% cotton. Now, this is a non-stretch fabric, but at 155 centimeters or 61 inches wide, a little of this fabric is sure to go a long way. This is around a medium and heavyweight denim, and we think it would work incredibly well with the McCall's sewing pattern 7908. This jumpsuit has a fitted bodice with princess seams and an exposed front zipper. This sewing pattern is listed as an easy to sew sewing pattern, making it a perfect choice with this medium weight fabric, as this would be a great project if this was your first time working with denim fabric. And last but most certainly not least, in our Mind the Maker denim collection, we have this Getty organic chambray fabric. Now, this is a very subtle dark blue. It's a composition of 90% cotton and 3% elastane. This woven fabric is 125 centimeters or 49.2 inches wide. We think this fabric would pair great with the Simplicity sewing pattern 8014. This petite shirt with length variations is a perfect choice when sewing with this fabric. This denim fabric is more of a light to medium weight fabric, making it a perfect choice if this is one of your first times working with denim. This pattern suggests chambrays, denims and lightweight denims, making this Getty organic chambray fabric a perfect choice for this Simplicity sewing pattern. If you have any questions, please leave them down below and a member of the team will get back to you. This t-shirt was sewn with the Strathcona Henley top sewing pattern by Thread Theory Designs alongside this wonderfully geometric stretch knit fabric. Of course, they will both be tagged down below as well so that you can easily find them. Remember, you can save this video in your favourites to come back to later should you need the help with your next project. You can always follow us here at Minerva for more videos such as this one, and until next time, thank you for watching.